colorless with the way you do in there? Cause I wanna do better with my hair, but you know, beginner stuff. Yes. Hello, I'm back. So remember the last promise I told you I might have an intro? I doubt that. I really doubt it. And do you see the quality? The quality is crisp because I'm not filming on my iPhone 6. Yes, I got a new phone. So what we gonna do is acknowledge the things that happened when I wasn't around. Y'all just doing this?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna upgrade the studio while we're gone.
It was just a white room with some. Okay, so today what I wanted to do is, I'm so rusty, but today I wanted to do is, you know, eat the stuff,
Show you guys
like this stuff, like this. We know what it's for. Don't play dumb. We know what it's for. Yeah. If you don't know, rewatch the videos because you clearly not paying attention. But this, yes. I want to do unboxing, but practically you can see through this, so there's no point of unboxing it.
I mean,
so
take one out.
Okay, it's like oh. Hey, it twists like that, you know, righty. It's lefty Lucy, but I turned it right and it went Lucy. But you know, good old plastic jar, like.
You're doing a lot, sis.
And whatever material this is, like, you know what the cans are made of, but a bit thicker. Yeah, and the stickers to like right on top of that. So yes. How much testers? Homeboy, homegirl.
That's how it is.
Yes, other homegirl. Teacher. Unless my other friend wants to test as well, because I have to ask her if she wants. Because I can't just be plopping products on people. She probably will appreciate a product, but I gotta ask, obviously. What is this? I'm pretty sure this is like a spa kit, like face. My mother got it for me. Because she wants everyone to be like face conscious. What the hell is this? Oh, manual, like I won't know. I go through things with experience. So, ooh. Oh, it's actually, look. Obviously, I'm not gonna take them all out because that's unsanitary. I opened it up first with y'all, and you should appreciate that. I just have to find the time out of my day to actually spa treat myself. What you doing? I look so bad. This is so sus.
Hey, what's that?
Why do you smell like oranges? Is this not really mashing up my ting? In my nose, please?
What did he say?
Yeah, get them eyebrows off. Okay, let me just. Yes, these I wanted. Did I really need to buy them for my project? No.
What are they?
Do I need them to care for my hair? Yes.
What are they?
Scrunchies, dummy.
Yeah,
You
they
see
don't.
them?
Then we gotta explain everything that's going on. It's a pack of 40 silk scrunchies from Amazon.
Yes.
Leave the link in the bio.
Do I really need to? I gotta find a way to like style myself, because you know I can't do nothing.
You have to go with every single outfit.
Yes, there's several colors in here. There's several colors in here.
There's also no repeat colors. So
what's a BP?
There's like repeats. They're all different colors.
I can just match them up. You know the color wheel? Yeah. I can just go through the color wheel. Or this matches with this. You see, I got orange and blue. I got green and red. Wait, what else was my brain supposed to do? My brain is not brain.
Tell them about the spray bottles coming.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got a spray bottle that I kind of impulse purchased. I kind of like impulse bought it because I was like, I got the money.
You really went crazy.
Yeah. And the bonnet. Yes. And the bonnet.
So funny.
But yeah, I was like, yeah, I got the sconces. So why don't I just buy the spray bottle? Because I wanted to buy the bonnet first. I was like, ooh, it only sells in America. Gotta find somebody, one of my family members in America that's willing to get it and then send it to me. Call up one of your cousins and just do it. So I was just like, let me buy the scrunchies instead. Scrunchies came. I was like, ooh, that fast. I forgot. They got Prime, the little rich bastards.
Yeah, you also bought AirPods.
That's because I spent it of my hard money.
Exactly.
And you acting like I'm a fanatic.
You are. You're like, oh my god, next I'm gonna get the Switch, the Animal Crossing Switch.
No basic girl, and I'm here to take the lap. You got me 'cause I can't pass it.
I need to stop. Down impulse buy. The spreads. Not really impulse because all my spray bottles are kind of jacked up because I've been putting like weird mixtures into them. So I learned a big thing about that spritz bottle. You don't mix things randomly in it. Water and rose water. The only things it can actually deal with. Going back. It's gonna be wild because it's gonna take like, because I want to bring my testers on except the teacher, because the teacher is a teacher. Like, but I wanted to bring my other testers on because like, you need to know who's testing my products, right? So yeah, but COVID, you know, that big old Rona might jack everything up, you know?
Don't body shame the Rona.
How do I body? Girl, I said big old. So I have 3 testers and the teacher. But if I do film a video with them, I have to make sure ain't no Rona catching us. It's gonna take a while for, like, if I do plan on getting everybody, not in one place because that's not safe, like on the videos, it's gonna take a while. Because the only purpose why I started this is because, you know, trying to get more in tune with my hair and hairstyles.
Yeah, she started getting into Pinterest.
Yes. Ooh, yes. I want to do mini twist or mini braids or mini, like, just mini braids. Or those little braids that, like, I'll just show you photos. Like, ooh, you know? We got the budget for that, right?
After you bought all this shit, I don't know if you got the budget.
I just been attempting twist outs and attempting braids outs, and if I detangle my hair right and catch everything right, that I can braid them along the sides. And when I
Pop Smoke.
Girl, I am gonna drop kick you. So I braid them along the sides and then leave them there for a while, you know, and then comb it out, and it's actually stretched out, and it looks like nice afro looking, like those stretched out afros that one of my friends be doing. Like, if I can find a photo of it. So yeah, that's what don't ask me, can you make a tutorial, can you make a video on that? Because it's a struggle for me to do that. And most of the braids that I do look chunky and ugly. You can't go outside like that looking all ratchet. If it looked like those neat, cute braids, I'd be like, okay guys, come on, let me show you. But the braids that I have done unsupervised is very questionable, because I've been messing up my own head. And then just earlier today, I messed up my grandma's head. Like, I feel so bad. I told her I don't know how to twist up hair. Never want to listen to nobody. So yeah, I am gonna leave, because why, when you don't have anything to do or don't even have anything to say, you leave, right? So goodbye everybody. I feel so stiff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goodbye everybody. If I come back in a timely manner, I come back in a timely manner. Hopefully I do. Hopefully I have enough ideas to come back in a timely manner. Yeah? Yeah, you got me, you got me? Bye everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Where am I going with this? Like
You gonna be on Casper or something? The hell you doing?
No! My brain was like, so like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to finish projects. I got the bottle. It's the home stretch, guys. I just need 2 more things. Let's go. Let's go.
I love to the new setup. Okay. Somebody gonna get kidnapped with you. Okay. Okay. You're an OG. You're an OG if you remember this tree from the first ever video. That was like 3 videos ago, so don't. I don't know. Why so bright? Where is my lid?
What's it called?
I don't know.
Read it.
Facial spa kit. I just said that.